Hello, I am the uppercase letter D, and now you're going to practice how to write me. But before, let's see. I am letter D for dog. Yeah. Now grab your pencil. Let's go trace some D's. So straight line down. Good. And you go back to the top and you trace a line to meet the other one down. Great. Another one. Straight line down. Back to the top, and you trace all the way around to meet straight line down, back to the top, trace all the way around to meet the bottom. Good. Straight line down. You go back to the top and you trace all the way around to meet the bottom. Good. Another one. Great. And you go again. Perfect. Now you know how to trace the letter D. Grab your book and draw more letter D uppercases. Great. Bye bye. See you.